All right, so this video is going to be our mixed media, experimenting with different art mediums, which means I got out some crayons and some oil pastels and some watercolor and some marker, and we experimented with how we can do it in one piece. So let's take a look how to experiment with some mixed media.
Yeah, when someone needs some new, they need
Here,
some
look up
new.
here. Look up here so that they can see you. Can you say hi?
When someone needs some water, they need some water.
Yeah, we used some water, didn't we?
Yeah, when you need the different kinds of water, you need some different crowns.
Yes, we do. All right. You ready to get started?
Mhm.
I have all of my materials. Now, this isn't all of them. I could keep going and use anything else I have around the house. But for today, I laid out some markers, some crayons. This is a big box of crayons I have. I got a really giant set. I have some oil pastels, and I have some watercolors. So because I have watercolors, I also have water ready to go if I need it, and I have some brushes ready to go if I need it. So today, remember that our goal is experimentation imaginatively. I want to imagine all the things I can do when I mix my materials. Some things that I really like doing are seeing how crayons and oil pastels really resist watercolors. So I'm going to start, and maybe I'll make kind of a jungle scene. Maybe I'll make some big grasses. You can hear my sweet little 1-year-old singing in the background. Now I can even choose to mix together colors with my oil pastels, right? I can maybe grab some yellow and make kind of a more yellow green. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so green.
I have my 3-year-old here with me too. See, look at how that yellow really lightened the green up. Now I'm leaving white space on purpose because eventually I think I want to put some of my watercolor there to maybe make a shadow. So we're going to see how oil pastel really resists it. Maybe I can use even some flowers. You want me to put some flowers? So here are some flowers and my grasses. Let's see also how our crayons resist the watercolor. I'm gonna get some brown, and maybe I'll have like a tree coming up. Should I do a tree?
This one,
So here's my tree. I'm gonna color it in. This is kind of a lighter brown. I was hoping for a darker one. Let me see if I can find one. Ooh, now I have different shades of brown for my trunk. What color should the leaves be of this tree?
It will be purple.
You want me to do purple leaves in it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Purple.
You love purple.
And Nana loves pink.
Who loves pink?
Nana does.
Yeah, Oops, Nana does look pink. All right, maybe I'll make some other things with my purple. Let's see, what would go well with a purple tree? What other color leaves? Because we can imagine anything.
I want another like this purple too.
Okay. So she just picked out a oil pastel. So I can do my crayons. These almost look like heart leaves, don't they? Maybe I'll mix some of my oil pastel with my crayons. That's a great idea, Sita. So oil pastels are a lot darker than crayons. They have a lot more kind of oil in them, oil pastels. So they're more waxy than crayons are. I like all the shades of our leaves. That's so fun. All right, how about now, let's do a different kind of leaf. What if we do, yeah?
That leaf will be good.
This leaf will be good. So these are the branches. I'm doing more kind of greenery coming up. I feel like in my head I'm picturing an artist named Henry Rousseau who does jungly pictures like this, and that's all of a sudden what I'm kind of thinking of. So back to my oil pastel, and I have some orange greenery. It's funny, I'm calling it greenery, but I'm using all my fun colors.
Fun colors.
Let's experiment. So we have an orange oil pastel here. What if we use an orange crayon here? So we can experiment and see how different they are. This one's a lot lighter.
Mama, the inside is cold, but the outside is cold.
The outside's cold. Yeah, right now outside's very cold. I feel like in my picture, does it look like it's cold or warm?
Warm.
Yeah, I think so too. Almost like it's summer. Or just tropical. You think it looks tropical? I think it does. Or like a rainforest maybe. All right, maybe there's another tree coming down here with giant leaves. So when I'm doing my crayon, I'm pressing a little harder because I know that oil pastel will resist the watercolor better. Because it's just so waxy, so I want my crayon to be a little bit waxier too. I did some overlapping. Look how this leaf looks like it's going behind this leaf now.
Well, start someone new.
What?
So someone the purple, these are together.
Well, I was kind of thinking, they look like they go together. I was kind of thinking they were two different trees.
Two different trees are the same kind of water.
Ooh, water is a great idea. What if we did a waterfall? What kind of, should we do a waterfall or should we do a waterfall like made out of juice or chocolate milk or something? Would that be silly?
I will pick chocolate milk.
You want a chocolate milk waterfall? Okay. So what do you think for our chocolate milk waterfall? Ooh, maybe what if we did a chocolate milk waterfall with sprinkles?
Okay.
Would that be funny?
That would be fun.
Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. Pink sprinkles and red sprinkles. How about yellow sprinkles?
Yeah. And some rainbow sprinkles.
It's kind of looking rainbow, huh? Okay. Now chocolate milk's like a lighter brown. Let's see.
Also on your lap.
Okay. Well, I'm making this video. Okay, so here's the chocolate milk coming down.
I want to make the video too.
Well, you are in the video. They can hear you. I'm letting there be different shades of my chocolate milk.
I'll say I'm on that. No, can you move your arm?
No, because I'm drawing.
Okay.
Look, the chocolate milk is getting at the bottom and it's making like a
Cloud.
yeah, like a cloud or more like mist coming up, like a rapid. So already, I can just color right on top of my oil pastel with my crayon.
Yeah.
Look, because the sprinkles still show up.
Yeah.
It's like they're strong. They're stronger.
Mhm.
If you crawled up in my lap anyway.
I can do it by myself.
Yeah, you can. All right, last shade of our chocolate milk. Okay, and since I know I'm going to be painting, I really want to put black watercolor on top of this, and I want this to stay white. So maybe I'll use a white oil pastel so it stays white. Here, I actually do need you to hop down, okay, babe?
Okay.
Thanks.
In a minute, Mom.
In a minute. Oh wow, okay.
After we finish this.
Oh, girl, that's gonna be all white. Okay, anything else? Can we imagine anything else while we experiment? Oh, let's add some marker now.
Okay. At the marker, we'll do this in the water.
Maybe we have, well, I know, I'm thinking that marker, when we put watercolor over this, I think the marker will bleed a little bit into the page. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what if we did, so we could add kind of like some marker for like a sun here. And that's not going to be that shape. It'll probably bleed out, right? And then it can be darker as it gets closer. So we could add some more blues.
Blue clues.
You silly.
Blue clues.
Could do like a cloud with my marker. Look how different the marker is even. This is cool. We have so many different kinds of textures on here. All right, do we want to see what happens when we get some of our watercolor on?
We would do that.
Ooh, can you do me a favor? Will you go get me the salt? Because I want to show them what salt does to watercolor.
Okay.
So let me I want there to be like nice shadows. So I'm gonna come in. And look, I can paint it right on top. And the crayon and the oil pastels resist the watercolor. You can see the color coming through. It makes it's like a jungle at night.
Well, what's our name is new? That they new.
What?
They new. They one they want you. They need you. I got this off.
This is looking so cool. It makes it look like a nighttime jungle.
Here.
You got the salt.
Also.
I like watching how the colors really show through. This is so cool. Oh, that's so funny. I just realized, look what I did, Sita. I'm making a nighttime jungle, but I made a sun. So do you think that should be the moon, or should I imagine it a place where it could be nighttime and daytime at the same time? That's silly.
Nighttime and daytime.
Nighttime and daytime? Yeah, look, the water starts blending with the marker. It starts bleeding a little bit. Ooh, now look, I'm starting to get some blues in my water. That's pretty cool. Okay, so maybe this is kind of where it starts turning from nighttime to daytime. So if I get some light blue.
And some of that and some of that.
Some of that color too? Okay.
Some of these colors.
Okay.
And white. And that. And that. And green. And this one.
Okay, I want to. It's
And
gonna start blending with the yellow. Look! Now it's turning a little more green.
one. And this.
I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on it. I love what salt does to watercolor.
Okay.
We're gonna start watching it.
Okay.
Might do a little bit more water in the cloud.
Yeah, and so some purple.
You want some purple too? Purple is dark. It kind of makes me think it should go down here in the.
And this purple, but it should go right there.
Okay. What do you think? Does this look like a daytime and nighttime jungle
Yeah.
with a milk chocolate waterfall? I like it. All right, I'm gonna hold it up so they can start seeing how the salt soaks up some of the color and the paint, and it starts making kind of crystallized things happening.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty cool?
And I want to do some more.
Okay, let's do a whole new one. So this is called mixed media.
Yeah.
Mixed media, because we used a bunch of different kinds of materials.
After this, we will start a new one.
Yeah.
With these.
You want to start a new one?
Yeah.
All right, what kind of art is this called?
Daytime and nighttime.
And we mixed our materials, so it's called mixed media. Did we experiment? And did we imagine?
And that purple on it.
Well, we can save that purple for a different one. You love purple. All right, I'm pretty proud. Are you proud? Here, okay, I'll put the purple right here. You can just keep adding on top. You know what's cool?
And that will be with the new one.
Okay. So when this is all dry, I could keep going and do even more on top of it. When this is dry, wait 1 second. When this is dry, I can get pens or markers or colored pencils and draw on top and just keep adding to my mixed media piece. Ooh, now look, now you can, wait, look, now you can really see what's happening with the salt.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's starting to pick, the salt soaks up some of the watercolor, so it leaves these really cool crystallized things. They look almost like snowflakes, don't they? Look over here. Snow in our sky.
So I need some more. They need some more and the aerials.
All right, I think we are done until it dries.
Yeah.